back to Editing 24/7. Hello there, in this video I'm going to show you how to change the height of your row in Canva, and it's very quite like simple step. All you have to do is follow along. So okay, I'm gonna choose a very quick method, that is go to the elements and type in table so that I don't have to let's choose this random one. So this is the table, right? So in order to change the height of the row, all you have to, so this is the row, all you have to do is simply tap in here, and there comes the arrow. You can simply pull it up like this or even downwards, and that is how you change the height of the row. And yeah, that is pretty much how you change the height. If you want to change the height of this middle one, you can simply drag it down like this, that, you know the drill. So this is how you change the height of a row in Canva. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.